Hi everyone. So last sessions we discussed more in detail about the waterfall model. Now let's talk more in detail when to use the waterfall model. So requirements are very well known and when the product definition is stable. And you need to use the waterfall model when the technology is understood and well cleared. A new version of an existing product or the portion on an existing product to a new platform. High risk for new system because of specification and the design problem. Low risk for well understood development using the familiar technology. So this is the way when you need to use the waterfall model. Now we would like to discuss more in detail about the agile SDLC. What is agile development? So agile software development is a conceptual framework for software engineering that promotes development iteration throughout the life cycle of the project. Like we have seen in the previous slides, like software development life cycle have the waterfall model. But here the iterations are going again and again, and the software developed during one unit of time is referred to as an iteration, which may last from 1 to 4 weeks. So each iteration time framework in a simple words will take not more than 4 weeks. And 4 weeks you need to plan your activities for the development of the website. Like for module 1 will take the 4 weeks, and the module 2 which will take another 4 weeks. So in this way you are doing the divide and conquer approach. And in agile methods are emphasize also working software as the primary measure of the progress. So some agile models I am going to tell you about. The methods are extremely used, like extreme programming, the scrum, and the rapid application development. So let's talk about the extreme programming in our next session. Thank you very much for watching.